Hi guys, Mr. Russell, and I'm here to talk to you about making mind maps so that you can organize some of the enormous quantity of vocabulary that we have in biology class. This is a mind map. A mind map is it's just a way to string together ideas and to group them together. This is a mind map that's actually just about making mind maps. And so you see the central idea is about getting started making one. And then there's 5 sub ideas that are connected to that. And then each one of those can be broken down further into smaller ideas. And the idea here is that you include all the vocabulary and the important ideas within the objective and into a way that makes a little more sense. And so it helps your brain make connections between those things. Okay, there's a bunch of free apps that you can use on your personal device, your phone, or your tablet at home, or something like that. Here's a few that you would find for Android. There's a lot of free ones. There's also paid ones. I wouldn't recommend a paid one unless you get really interested in this and you find that helps you a lot. And maybe you are gonna, make mind maps on your own all the time, or something like that. Here's just one you find in the iTunes App Store too, and there's a few more options down there as well. I can't open that up on my web browser to show you what it looks like, but if you go to your iTunes App Store and look up Mind Map, a bunch of free things will pop up. The one thing I'm going to show you how to use is Google Drawing, which is available through Google Drive. So this is my drive. If you go to yours, you can go to New, go all the way down here to More, and then go to Drawing. I'm not going to click on one because I've already made one and I want to use that one, but you would click here and then it would open up one of these. And you should end up with a blank screen like this. A good place to start is just with a shape in the middle to be your center, and that'll be kind of your main objective. You can pick a shape. I'm going to go with, I'm feeling kind of trapezoidy today. I'm going to go with that. Okay. You'll see they always start out light blue. And you can change that color if you want right here, a little paint bucket. I'm going to make mine orange because that's fun. I'm going to give a little thicker border. Okay, so now I have this. Now our main unit right now is membrane transport. So that's what I'm going to put in the middle. Okay, and you can just make more shapes. You can use any shapes you want. Kind of the fastest way is actually to copy your shapes. So if you hold down Control and hit C while you're clicked on it, and then click over here in space and hit Control V, you'll see it makes more of them. So I'm going to make several more. Just move them out of my way so I can use them later on. Okay, you would need more than this, but mine is a simplified version. So next thing you want to do is connect them with lines. And if you click on your line tool up there, and then you hover over a box, you'll see these little purple spots pop up. And those are points where you can connect the boxes. Okay, so we'll say these are my 3 main ideas. Oh, didn't want that. If I click on the box, I can change what's on here. So maybe I'll make this one passive transport. And then I want to talk about the different kinds of that. So I'm going to make a couple extra boxes. I'm going to connect them with lines. And, I'm going to rename this one diffusion because that's a type of passive transport. And I'm going to name this one osmosis because that's another type of passive transport. And that's how you make them, pretty much. You can change the colors. You can change lots of things. You can use different shapes. You can make them as fun as you want. Just include all your vocabulary. I hope this helps. And lucky mind mapping to you, I guess.